Hi, I'm going to show you how to use interactive PDFs on your computer or with your interactive software, so interactive whiteboards. Now, it's going to be the same, and then you just project it onto your whiteboard, and then you'll be able to interact with it. So the first thing you want to do is download it and save it. And I am working on a Mac, so I'm going to show you how to use it in Preview, and then I'll also show you how to use it with Adobe Reader if you are on a different platform. So this is Preview currently, and all you have to do is once you open the PDF, you're going to go to View, enter full screen, and it's going to enter full screen, and either on the computers, depending if you're giving this out to students on computers, or if you are doing it on an interactive whiteboard, then they can come up to the board and start, and you just press start and you answer the questions. If they get it wrong, it will tell them, and it's self-monitoring. Try again, they'll have to go through again until they get it right. I pressed escape to get out on the keyboard. Now, if you do not have preview because you are not working on a Mac and you are working on Windows, I also have that. So this is Adobe. Now, it might look a little different, but it's the same idea. So with Adobe, you are also going to open it, and it should open with Adobe, and you press View, full screen mode, and it's going to go into full screen mode. Same thing. Then you can start interacting with your PDF, and the students are going to get the same questions. Again, it's self-monitoring. So they will go. There are 25 questions. And then you escape to get out. Press escape. I hope that was helpful. And I have another video that will show you how to put this onto iPads. So look for that if you need it for individual iPads.